What's up everybody and welcome to the video. So in this one, I want to talk about a stock that I recently found. I was literally just going through some FinViz screeners and found this one. It doesn't seem to have a lot of hype or anything, average volume is like in the 100 to 200,000 range. So nothing big. It currently trades for about $6 a share. And as you can see, it's been up pretty nice over the past few weeks and past months. So I'm going to talk about why I have a bullish stance on this company and why I do actually plan on adding some shares to my portfolio. But remember, these are all risky, every investment can lose, such as how this one has actually performed over the long term. I mean, just over the past year, but I do see upside, especially over the longer term because of this company and what they're doing and kind of the advancements that they're making. So if you enjoy this type of content and you want to get future stock calls and all that good stuff, make sure to subscribe to the channel and you turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, go join my Discord server, links in the description down below. Been posting a lot of stuff in there recently, so you can even get more free stock calls. Remember, keyword free and all that good stuff. Thank you again. Let's go ahead and just get straight into it. So right now, the ticker for the stock is ctlp. The company is called Cantaloupe Incorporation. Over the past month, they're up about 8.39%, sitting with about a $431 million market cap. Over the past 6 months, we are down 27%, and year to date, we're down 29%. And there's a number of reasons why this is, but this company just reached profitability. Okay, that is like a very key thing that I really like about the company. Another thing, and this is just like some kind of indicators. I'm going to show you some key things that I see right now, and then we'll actually look into the company. But what I'm seeing right now is a ton of bullish ratings. Okay, this is on Chaikin Analytics. A lot of their bullish catalysts, I truly believe in what they look for. And CTLP is bullish. Not many stocks get a bullish rating. So we're looking pretty good right there. Looking on analysts, analysts do have a mean price target right now about $11.48, which is about 89% above the price based on 11 analyst ratings. So very solid stuff right there. Insiders are loving their own company. It's very rare, especially now, to see insiders kind of buying. But I've been seeing right here 421,000 shares in 16 transactions over the past 6 months, okay, have been bought from insiders and 0 transactions for sales. So let me go ahead and show you just kind of what we're looking at. It's going to take a little bit for me to scroll down, but to show you the most recent dates, this is how much we're seeing of transactions. This goes all the way back to 2014, but most recently, what we're seeing is June 16th, purchase, June 15th, purchase, May, purchase, May, purchase. And so buying a lot of shares around $4, which is a little bit cheaper than the current prices, but insiders, remember, I've said this before on the channel and I'll say it again. Insiders buy for a reason. They sell maybe simply because of a personal reason, but they buy because of a corporation and a money-making reason, okay? Institutions also love the stock. Inflow over the past 12 months, 642.5 million compared to outflow of 27 million. Okay, most recent quarter, we're seeing 2 million bought compared to 48,000 sold. So definitely some really bullish things. Now let's go ahead and talk about who this company is, because you need to know who you're investing in before you invest in them. So Cantaloupe is a digital payment and software services company providing technology solutions for the unattended retail market. The company offers integrated solutions for payment processing, logistics, and back office management. So I'll break this down a little bit easier in a second. Here is their website, okay? The world is moving to unattended retail, accept payments with Cantaloupe. This company pretty much makes money off of transaction fees and a few different things like that. Mainly transaction fees is their main revenue. What we'll see is that they have a ton of products, okay? Helping companies manage their own business, things like accounting, changing prices on different things like on vending machines. You might have gone up to a vending machine and seen you can pay with Apple Pay or something like that. And it'll say the price for a bag of chips is $3, okay? Maybe that they're seeing these are selling out really fast and manually, maybe you used to have to go up to the vending machine and have to pay and change the numbers from $3 to $3.50. Well, now from your computer, you can change that to $3, $3.50 from anywhere in the world. And it just makes managing a lot easier for these companies. So let me go ahead and show you. Cantaloupe reports third quarter 2022 financial results, which includes record transaction fee revenue. From the CEO, we are pleased to report on the strong quarter with 18% growth in revenue, primarily driven by a 31% increase in transaction fees, which is another record. Total dollar volumes of transactions was 562 million for the third quarter, an increase of 36 year over year. Revenue in the third quarter was 50.3 million, really good. Gross margin improved to 32.2% compared to 29.7% in the past year. Subscription and transaction fees margins did drop from 41% to 40%, but still that's not concerning to me at all. Very solid margins, and a 1% change is nothing really, especially in the economy that we're seeing right now. Active customers increased to 22,818 from 18,763, an increase of 22%. And active devices, now this is a little bit interesting, it only grew by 4%, which is really good. But I think the main catalyst that is going to drive the growth of this company is getting more active devices, because you can increase your total transaction revenue and you can get more and more people to give you money from your, per se, vending machines. Like taking a vending machine, for example, you can make money off that vending machine. You can increase how many people come to it, but it's kind of out of your control. What is in their control is putting more devices out there in the world. And that is going to really drive the catalyst and drive the growth of this company. And they've been launching a ton of products, but fiscal 2022 outlook, they expect revenue between 200 and 210 million, which would be a 20 to 26% increase year over year. And EBITDA, they expect to be about 8.5 million to 10.5 million, which is about a 12 to 38% increase year over year. So we're looking at some pretty good numbers. Let me show you their investor presentation, which kind of stood out to me. They're at the intersection of rapidly growing trends, self-service commerce, Internet of Things, powered business, software as a service, digital payments, very solid stuff that we're looking at right now. Kind of showing you what they're looking at. They have software solutions such as warehouse automation, space to sales, inventory management, accounting management, a ton of things like that. And then they also do their payments, digital advertising, digital payments, coupons, payroll deduct, nutritional information, making things automated, AI, artificial intelligence. This is very, very high growth market. Now, another thing that was really good is they not only help companies increase their revenue, but they also help them decrease their costs, which is just value at the core. Okay, very solid things. Let me go ahead and show you some more. Comprehensive suite of software. So they do cloud mobile software solutions, Internet of Things, digital payments, just a really good market that they're targeting. And their key verticals of how they're making money right now would be things such as vending machines, kiosks, EV charging, laundry, amusement. Maybe you go to a main event and you got to go pay for a card. Could be using Cantaloupe. And some of their largest customers right now would be things like Pepsi, Sodexo, Canteen, Continental. So a number of things. 22% year over year active customer growth is really good. So they're new product innovations. It's really good to see a company innovating new ways to pay, campus card, cryptocurrency. Like me personally, I am in college right now. I saw Sodexo was one of their big customers, and it's a way that students pay for meals. And the campus card is definitely very beneficial, and they can use that campus card on restaurants off of campus, things like that. But cryptocurrency, touchless vending, ePort Engage, and then for the business side of things, Seed Warehouse, Seed Mobile, remote price change, micro markets, AI-powered merchandising, really solid things that they're looking at. And international expansion would definitely benefit this company. The ability to serve global customers. Right now, this is what they're looking at, and the number of vending connections could definitely expand that. So definitely some upside potential right there. Another thing I wanted to point out before I close the video was $2.3 million in net income for the trailing 12 months. That's positive. So we've seen negative, 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 just hit positive. That's a very, very bullish thing. Analysts are expecting positive earnings per share for the next year, and revenue to grow to about 230 million, 229 million, which would be 12.7% growth year over year. So this company is sitting very solid. Definitely one that I plan on at least adding a smaller position into my portfolio and letting it ride, maybe adding some more shares if it continues to perform well. But that's my analyst on this company on ctlp. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you again for making it to the end. Join my Discord server. Check out the link in the description down below. That's where you'll find it. Also, check out Webull. Link in the description down below. Get yourself some free stocks. You know, it's free money. And I will see you at the next video.